Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video of Techno Tips. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a tutorial for beginners with Photoshop. Now, this is going to be a pretty simple tutorial. I'm not going to be showing everything. We're just going to be showing the basics to get you started on what you need to know. So firstly, coming into Photoshop, opening Photoshop up, you want to start out with, I'm going to show you how to make one looking like this, so a poster style canvas. So when you first get into the app, it's going to ask you, so you just go new. Now, for this poster style one, which is very common for things that I do myself, this is a very common style. And this is what I use for banners. So I have here, this is what I want you guys to start with. So you want your width to be 12 and your height to be 16 inches. And then your resolution to be 300 pixels per inch. And then leave your color to RGB color. Now, you can have your background as it's automatically going to be white, but I like to set my background to the black color. And once you have this configured, click create. Now it will look like this. Next thing is, we can go ahead and add a text. So to add things like a text on your keyboard, you can actually click the letter T. Or you can come over to this little T thing on the side. So if you just click T on my keyboard, brings up a text box with the automatic text thing in there. So if I go and get rid of that, we can put anything like test design. And then at the top here, when you have your writing configured to what you like, click this little checkbox here at the top. Now, if you want to grab this and move it, as it shows here, it's still on the text thing. So we need to change it on the side of it to here to grab. We can move this up the top, in the middle, down the bottom, you know, up here more. So if I put this up the top, now, okay, so now this at the top, and we can use this to do things like if we want a picture to add into here. Now, you can download images and stuff. So if I was to grab an image, should have had one ready. Put it on my second monitor here. If I pull up an image, add this image in to here, we can kind of resize it. And then if you want it to be pulled out to the side more rather than just getting bigger, you have to hold shift, pull out to the side, so you go like that, make him a big cat. If you want it to come down, you pull it like that while holding shift. When it's configured how you like it, click the thing at the top, basically. And you can align it to how you want, things like this. And if you don't want this layer here anymore, you can come over to the side, right click on it, and delete layer. And now we only have this. So for things like fonts and stuff, you can download a bunch of different fonts. Yeah, so as I said, you can download a bunch of different fonts, which is cool. So this is one I have here. It automatically has a bunch anyways. So to change the font on your writing, you first need to just double click it to highlights like this. And then at the top here, you get this little thing here. Drop down, and then you have a bunch of these free already fonts. So you can then pick one that looks good that you like, but also one that looks good with the picture that you have. You know? So you can put that, and then if you get another picture here, see for something, well, whatever you're doing, if you grab like a picture, get a font that looks like matches it, you know. And then I can expand this, make it to look good. Yeah. So those are the basic things. You've got things like painting tools here that you can then go and select colors with, things like that. Yeah, that's all for this video. Just a simple one, as I said, to get your basics going with Photoshop and learning what you need to learn. Hope this video has helped. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.